Hello 11th standard business math students, welcome back to chapter 1 matrices and determinants. Now we are going to go to the main concept, inverse of a matrix. What is inverse of a matrix? For A be any non-singular matrix of order n, if there exists a square matrix B of order n such that AB equal to BA equal to I, then B is called the inverse of A and denoted by A inverse. Now we are going to find out what is this B, or in other words, we are going to find out what is A inverse formula. For find out the A inverse, what is the formula we are going to use. So for that we are going to use this property of the adjoint matrix, A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A equal to determinant A into I. So that formula I have written here. Now this determinant A we are taking to the, or we are dividing throughout by determinant A. So here also you will get, I'll write it at the side so that it will be clear for you. Adjacent A into A equal to determinant A into I. So now dividing by determinant A. So what will happen? A 1 by determinant A into adjoint A equal to, similarly, 1 by determinant A into adjoint A into A. When you divide here, it will get cancelled and you will get only I. So when you get a thing like this, A into something equal to the same thing into A is I, means one is the inverse of the other. It is well understood that one is the inverse because I is the identity matrix. So therefore this should be the inverse of A. So this is similar to AB equal to BA equal to I. So now we get the value for B. B is nothing but 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. So B is called the inverse of A. So this is the formula we get for inverse. So therefore A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Okay. So this is the explanation here. I hope you will understand this. So from this we have got the formula for A inverse. Okay. Now we are going to do this example 1.14 using this formula. Okay. Using this formula. What is our formula? A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. This is the formula. Okay, so we have given A, but before going to inverse, what is the main thing we should verify? Whether it is non-singular. What is the meaning of non-singular? If A, determinant A not equal to 0, then it is non-singular. So we are going to find out the determinant value for A. Just multiply diagonally 4 minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12. So your answer is 16, which is not equal to 0. Therefore A is non-singular. Therefore A inverse exists. Only if it is non-singular you can find out the A inverse. Okay. So for finding out the A inverse, we have to get adjoint. We have already found out determinant A. Now we want adjoint A. What is the shortest form we are going to do for adjoint A? Just you are going to invert these two elements. It's already 2, so no changes, you keep as it is, and just change the sign for this diagonal. Okay, so here it is going to be minus 4 and 3. This is the shortcut to find out adjoint A. So we have found out adjoint A, we have found out determinant A also. Now we are going to apply in the formula. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A, which is equal to 1 by 16 into this adjoint 2 minus 4 3 2. This is the answer for A inverse. Now one more example below this, example 1.15. Same question only they have asked, but we have to see. So you are going to find out A inverse. So before finding A inverse, what is the formula for A inverse? Write down the formula for A inverse. 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. So determinant A you have to find out, and you have to see whether it is, first step is non-singular. So find out determinant A. What is that? Minus 2 6 3 minus 9, isn't it? Determinant means just 3. So when you multiply 2 into 9, it is 18 and minus 18, which is equal to 0. Therefore A is What is this? Determinant A equal to 0. Therefore, A is singular. If it is 0, it is singular. Therefore, A inverse does not exist. Okay. So, here you cannot find out A inverse for this particular matrix because determinant A equal to 0. Why determinant A is 0? Why we cannot find it? Because it is in the denominator. So, 1 by 0 is not defined. So, therefore, we cannot find out. So, first step what you have to do when you go to inverse, first verify whether determinant A is non-singular. Only if it is non-singular, you can proceed with your formula. Otherwise, you need not proceed. You can just write A inverse does not exist. Okay. I hope you understood this A inverse. Thank you.